eat that.
There's so many fidgets. They're everywhere.
Cassidy! I can't remember what this is called.
Frightened by fidgets.
I don't know why Mommy doesn't eat fidgets. I did kind of use her Amazon account, so best day ever. Hello, best day ever crew. Welcome back, and today we are going to scare Mommy with a couple of fidgets because I've been wanting fidgets and I kind of bought them off of her account. So let me show you what I got. So let's start with this box. Let's dump this box out. There's a lot of things. It fell. It fell. We have the pineapple squishy. Opened it a little early. This is a water timer, so we're gonna flip this as I show you the things and see if it goes by. This is a little ball. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a ball where you push these little things and there's styrofoam inside of it. You push the balls on the styrofoam. This right here is a pea popper. So all you do is you just push on them and little peas come out with faces. Like the peas have faces and they come out.
And then this is a green bunny mochi. This is a frog mochi. This is a,
I don't know what that is, mochi. This is a yellow bunny mochi. And this is a rhino mochi. We've got another pea popper. Two pea poppers. Oh my god. This is a
puzzle something. Puzzle something. You can take it apart. This is a mini puzzle cube, another mini puzzle cube, two mini puzzle balls, another mini sandwich egg.
This is a monkey noodle. The timer's done. Flip it again. And then, oh, sorry about that. Okay. Can you just stand up? Thank you.
Thank you.
So this is a brown and red fidget spinner, and this is an orange and red fidget spinner. This is a Rubik's Cube. These are called tangles. This is a blue and orange fidget spinner, and this is a bike chain. And this is an infinity cube. These are marble and meshes, and that's it from this. Now let's move on to this one. We just open the box. So these are a bunch of monkey noodles. So I have those colors. I have more marble and meshes. Another pea popper. Oh, it actually has a doggy face. It's a little doggy face. This is the cat mochi. The panda mochi that I have 3 of.
Spoil.
A pink bunny mochi. A squirrel mochi, and I already have a squirrel mochi too. Purple fidget spinner. Orange fidget spinner. Another tangle. 2 Rubik's Cubes. This is a snake. This is a heart. It's a puzzle heart. You can pull them out. A puzzle. What's it called? I don't know. Ooh, it's a fidget spinner on a wristband, and this is an actual wristband. So don't worry about that. Stay tuned for that video. This is a blue sit-down fidget spinner. A red fidget spinner. 2 stress balls. 1 tennis ball. No. Baseball. What am I thinking?
What am I thinking?
This is a baseball. And this is a basketball. This is a big ball. A monster. 2 eyes. No face. Oh my god. just air. Wait, look. Oh, I know what you do with it. Put it on your finger, and yeah. And it has these little holes on the end. And another break chain. All these fidgets came from this. And all these fidgets came from that. Now it's time to hide the fidgets to scare mommy. And she might not know because, you know, I kind of used her Amazon account. Okay, first I'm gonna put, one pea popper here. And then I'm gonna put a bunny mochi here and 2 monkey noodles here. That should do. I don't know why mommy doesn't like fidgets. This is really gonna prank her. Okay, so now this I'm gonna put that one. This one. I'm gonna put the dog mochi. Dog mochi blends inside. I don't know if she's gonna see it. Wait, let's put it on the. Don't eat that. Can't have that. More in the bathroom. Now, let's put a stress ball there, stress ball here, and ooh, there. Okay, so I got these fidgets, and when she comes to sit down, she's gonna see a bunch of puzzle cubes and balls and stuff like that. Then we're gonna put marble meshes here. I got a cat here. Put the cat there. And then I got a little ball there. I'm gonna put those in the corner back there. Fidget spinner there. And the tangle up there. Missile, don't eat the fidget spinner. Right in the candy. Don't look, don't look. I'm just gonna. Oh my god! They all just fell. In the bucket. Last and final spot, so definitely the TV today.
Hello, Best Day Ever crew. Welcome back. Today is Cassidy's birthday eve and we're getting ready to celebrate. Stay tuned because this video is gonna be amazing. I need to go to the bathroom and then we're gonna get out of here. Let's go. Fidgets! Not fidgets. Where did these fidgets come from? Cassidy! I told her no. Where did they all come from? Oh, we gotta get ready for this birthday eve. So Calvin's not ready. So I'm gonna go sit and watch a little bit of TV and then we're gonna get to the main event. Let's go. I'm just gonna relax for a little bit. There's more fidgets! Cassidy! Where are all these fidgets coming from? I don't know where the fidgets are coming from, but I need answers. I'm gonna go check on the cat before we leave. I like to do that before we head out for the day. More fidgets? Mistletoe, are you part of this? Where are these fidgets coming from? Oh my gosh. Cassidy? Cassidy! I obviously need to sit down because I don't know what's going on in this house. I don't know where my family is. All I know is that random fidgets keep showing up everywhere and I'm frightened. Frightened by fidgets.
Frightened by fidgets.
What makes them so special, guys? I'm just gonna take a load off and sit down. More fidgets? Cassidy! More fidgets on the couch? Where would these even come from?
So, I just went on her Amazon account and I bought all of them.
Okay, so I can't even relax and sit down. I can't watch TV. I can't sit on my couch. I'm being chased by fidgets all over the place. I'm just gonna make something to eat before we leave because this is absolutely insane. Why are there fidgets in my fridge? They're everywhere. I'm being like chased by fidgets. I'm going insane. I didn't buy these fidgets. I know I didn't. I think I just need some chocolate or something. I just need some chocolate. They're everywhere. Okay, I'm just gonna make some popcorn or whatever and try to forget that this is going on so we can like get to her birthday eve event. Cassidy! Fidgets are everywhere. They're everywhere. Now I have fidgets in my microwave, in my fridge, all over my house. Where is that girl? Cassidy! Cassidy, where are you? Have you seen Cassidy, Missile? You haven't seen her? Who bought her these fidgets? Cassidy! Where are all these fidgets coming from? And what's the big deal about them? Why do people love them? Maybe she's in the basement. There's so many fidgets.
There's so many fidgets.
And I can't even begin to tell you why. There's 1,000 balloons in our basement. Cassidy!
Okay, I'm gonna jump.
There's fidgets. Rid of them. Cassidy!
Bow!
I'll prank you, I'll prank you.
I'll prank you, I'll prank you.
So she pranked me. Where did you get all these fidgets from?
I kinda use your Amazon account.
What? I'm gonna get her, guys. She pranked me good. Fidgets are all over my house. And who's gonna clean this up?
Yo!
Well, you totally got me good. That was a seriously intense prank because I'm not all about that fidget life. And Cassidy definitely is. So you're gonna have to show me what this is all about now that we have a ton of fidget toys. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you subscribe.
Squeeze all these balls out.
Please make sure, if you like this video, you subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you get notified every time we post a new video. We are the best day ever. We would love to have you join our crew. Please, please, please hit that red button. It is free to subscribe, easy, and this way you won't miss out on why we have 1,000 balloons in our basement. We can't wait to share it with you guys. We hope you enjoyed this prank, and we hope you have the
Best day ever!
pranks.
But we don't do pranks all the time. Why are you doing that?
You gotta keep it like that.
No! Don't do that! You gotta keep it like that!
You gotta keep it like that.
No! No! I don't... No!
No.
No! No!